Good morning, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and install a tire, otherwise known as dismount and mount a tire off of the wheel. I'm going to be showing you a couple of different tools today. The first one is a removal tool. It's called a Cobra bar, and you're just going to use the bar's leverage to pry the rubber off of the wheel. The next tools I'm going to be showing you are the tire irons, or spoons as they're commonly referred to. They're called spoons because of their ergonomical design, and both ends have their individual purposes. This end is for prying the tire on. We'll be using it today. The key to using this tool is to only use the tip for tire install, just as a nice tip. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Cobra bar. This is for tire removal. A couple of tips and tricks. You're going to install the Cobra bar between the rubber and the wheel. This part right here is going to slide in, wheel on this side, rubber on this side. When you first pick the first bead up, then you're going to set that bead right here to remove the second bead. So that goes as follows. You set the bar on, push it down in, pull up to remove the rubber. You're going to hold on to it so it doesn't let loose. You can see it come off. Again, you're going to make sure that your bead is set in between those two bars. You come back over and use the lever to the bar to take it completely off. Alright, so for tire install, the first thing you do is use a little tire lube. You're going to use that, just put it on both sides of the bead. That's to help the rubber slide over the wheel. Rubber's kind of sticky. So you're going to bring it over to the rim. First thing you're going to do is put the first bead on. You're just going to use your body weight for that. You put your knees into the tire, push, and it should slide right on. Some of them are a little trickier than others, but then the next thing you're going to do is set this edge of the bead off the wheel. You're going to place a foot on either side. One foot is going to follow your bar. The other foot does not move, or you'll chase the tire around all day long. So you're just going to stand 2 feet over the tire, bar in, step, bar in, press over, and step. Notice I'm not moving my other foot. You need to keep that one stationary. And finally, the last one, and your tire is mounted. And then you're ready for air.